back to cut Volcano color. And it smells so good. It's a dupe of Volcano. And that's the inside. I think that this pink is going to fade to this because that's what it's doing in the air. This is an end piece. Are you ready? Okay. Okay. I am really happy with these swirls. Although, like I said, I think this pink is going to fade to this color. But we will see as it goes along. But I think the name Color Volcano will be fitting. You like that name? Okay. Sorry about that. Trying to do two things at once here. Not being great at either of them. Try again, not the whole time. Okay, sorry. I was talking to my husband. Okay, ready? Sorry, I don't know if you could see all that. I think I might have got the embeds placed right this time. I shouldn't jinx myself that way. Shouldn't say things like that. I know better. I'm going to speed it up for you guys. Sorry. If you're interested in purchasing any of my bath and body products, you can find me in Sin City Soaps and Candles, Etsy, and Facebook. The links are in the description box below. You can follow me on Instagram to find out what I'm doing on a daily basis. I do post to Instagram every day. Ooh, I like that yellow in this one. The yellow kind of got subdued in the rest of them, it looks like. And I only post to Facebook, or I mean YouTube, about once a week. Sometimes more, sometimes less. But I do try to keep to a schedule on YouTube. Ooh, it's that purple right there. That's really pretty. On the top. Yeah, I like this soap. The links for Etsy, Facebook, and Instagram are all in the description box below. And if you would like to see we do anything differently in these videos, or talk less, talk more, leave me a comment below and I will try to do that. Sometimes I drone on and on, and sometimes I barely talk. Alright, so I'm going to I have to take off a little piece for the sample here. Oh, that's too little. Okay. And that might be too big. No, just perfect. Just perfect. So there's my sample. It's an end piece. And then there's my final bar of soap. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.